There you have it, folks. Todd Ryan with Cool FM Live. It is time to celebrate! Finally, this stretch of road here on Highway 90 in front of Target and to Fry's Foods over here and PetSmart area is going to be done tonight on this Friday night into Saturday morning. This stretch that they didn't finish a couple months ago when they went through here to put paving on a good portion of the other side of the road. They missed. They strategically did not pave in front on this side of the road. And I guess talking to the foreman here, it was a strategy to prevent traffic, and access to the businesses. So they did it this way for that reason. And so tonight here on this Friday night, June 26th, paving will officially be done on this stretch from Valero intersection right on down to past Fry's Foods here on this side of the road. And they told me that all paving will be done by Monday or Tuesday, and this project, as far as all the paving goes, will be done officially to Moson Road. From here to Moson Road will all be officially done by Monday or Tuesday. Then it's just a matter of putting the stripes on the road and getting those details worked out. But there you have it, folks. That's the update. We can officially celebrate. You'll be able to drive on fresh, new pavement on this side of the road finally tomorrow, meaning Saturday, June 27th. They're going to be working through the night here on this Friday night, June 26th, to finally get this section completed. And the entire project, road construction project from Whetstone to Moson Road here on 90 in Sierra Vista, will be officially completely paved by Tuesday of next week. And then we could say, pour a fork in it, finally done. For Cool FM Live, I'm Todd Ryan. Have a great night.